is a step-by-step guide to participate in the Arbitrum governance. But first, what is Arbitrum? Arbitrum is a layer 2 scaling solution for Ethereum, and it has its own governance system that allows users to participate in the decision-making processes. If you are interested in having a say in the future of Arbitrum, here is a step-by-step guide tutorial on how you can participate in Arbitrum governance. The first step is to understand the basics. Before you dive into Arbitrum governance, it's essential to have a solid understanding of what Arbitrum is and how its governance works. Arbitrum is designed to improve Ethereum scalability and reduce transaction fees, while governance is the process through which decisions are made about how Arbitrum operates, including changes, upgrades, and protocol improvements. To participate in Arbitrum governance, you will need to hold ARB tokens. ARB is the native token of the Arbitrum ecosystem, and it is used for voting on proposals and influencing the network's direction. You can acquire ARB tokens through various decentralized exchanges such as KyberSwap or other platforms that support Arbitrum. Make sure you have a cryptocurrency wallet that can interact with the Ethereum network in order to get your tokens. Popular wallets for Ethereum include MetaMask or Trust Wallet, and they are compatible with Arbitrum. Arbitrum governance proposals are submitted and voted on by the community. This means you need to stay informed by regularly checking the Arbitrum official governance platforms, such as the Arbitrum forum, Arbitrum website, or their social media channels for updates on new proposals and discussions. Also, make sure to review all of the details of each proposal to understand the changes it proposes. When a governance proposal is up for voting, it's your chance to make your voice heard. And to vote, you follow these few steps. 1. You connect your wallet to the Arbitrum network if you haven't already. And 2. You access the governance platform or forum where the proposal is posted. You look for the proposal you want to vote on and you click on it to get more details. If you agree with the proposal, you select your vote, usually yes, no, or abstain. Finally, you confirm your vote through your wallet, and depending on the platform, you might need to sign a transaction to cast your vote. If you are unable to actively participate in governance, you can also delegate your voting power to someone you trust. Delegating your vote allows another person to vote on your behalf, and to do this, you follow these simple steps. Step 1. Find a trustworthy delegate who is willing to represent your interest in governance. 2. You use your wallet to set up the delegation, specifying the delegate's wallet address. And finally, the delegate will vote on your behalf when proposals are up for voting. Remember, active governance participation involves staying informed about ongoing discussions, attending community meetings, and engaging with fellow ARB token holders. Being part of the community and sharing your thoughts on proposals can help shape the future of Arbitrum and decentralization. In conclusion, participating in Arbitrum governance allows you to have a say in the future of this layer 2 scaling solution for Ethereum. Remember to stay informed, be patient, and prioritize security throughout your governance journey. Your participation can make a difference in shaping the future of blockchain technology and decentralized finance. Hope you learned something about governance in Arbitrum and how you can participate. See you in the next video. Bye for now.